Good morning, guys. This is a new project. We wanna build a new retaining wall, concrete block, versa wall, a split face. What we did, we removed the timber retaining wall, existing one, from the side, and as you can see, this is the drainage and the pipe behind it. We want to start for the from five courses to the 6 at the end, and the stairs on that side as well. What the process? First is a clean up and remove the existing timber retaining wall. Then we want to dig a channel for the footing and add the concrete, and we want to add the footing and the first course in the same time. That means we have to dig a channel, mix a concrete, put in the channel, and then set the first course on top of that. And then we continue to the end, and then laying the other courses on top of that in installation. That's an easier and faster process we can do it. So we have to set the line. Where is the line of the new retaining wall? And then dig a channel for the concrete base footing. So as you can see, we dig a channel for footing, and also we use the timbers for make a formwork next to the concrete footing. The concrete footing is 450 from the end, and also we have 100 mil that side, and then block, and 150 behind it. Should be continued there, going there, and then turning to the side. Also we have stairs. We continue the wall through the stairs. That's the first stairs, is the first course of the wall, and then we cut it and going on top. We check the level by the laser level, because we have a different level from this point to the end. We're coming there, and if we continuing that, we hide the first course, because that we lift up 200, and then another course 200 up, another going there, and we have steps on the footing and continuing to the end, and all that area is the same level. Good morning, guys. We're back to the job. 2 days ago we put the concrete base on the footing, and now we're laying the first course on top of that by the mix of the concrete, and you can do it by the mortar as well. We set the line of the wall, and then we, as you know, we build a step footing. We're following the footing. We're coming there, one line, a step up, another course, a step up, and then going to the all. Then we have to build another first course to the end, and then we have a blocks garden edge from the red line you can see there. For the first course, it's important to check the line levels, everything will be correct, and then wall will be built on top of that easy in the line and the level. First course, it take more time to install it, and then it's easy and faster to install other blocks. We ordered the blue metal 100 mil to fill up in the middle of the blocks and also cover the agri pipe. We already has one, but we need another new and clean agri pipe behind the wall, and then cover it by the blue metal or aggregate. Okay. When we set the first line, before set the concrete, we need to check the line. All wall will be in the one line, because this is a high wall 1.2 and somewhere 1.6. If we're not leveling and line in the first course, the other blocks will be moved from the line. Complete the wall. This part is a 7 courses, need to fill up by the pebbles going there, and the corner blocks going that way. The top one is the right, and the left and the right as well, it's going like the pattern together. And the stairs installed as well. We need the gap 5 mil between the stairs and the low stairs as well, to fit the cap inside. Also the stairs will be filled up by the pebbles as well. Then going there, last one is the corner blocks. This is the last one, 7 courses. This part, fill it up, and then going there. For the corner, when we step up, we use the corner to stop it. The corner has a split face in that side as well. This part and that part. This corner going that way. It's a right corner. As you can see, that's the stairs. And we need to install the cap. So as you can see, this is the cap installation. We set the line for the first at the end, and then we use the liquid nail and line the, just tap it by the rubber, this one, tap like this, not too much, just, this is a liquid nail we're using. It's for masonry as well. And then not all of them, just that point, and then install it to the line. So we finished the job. Cap installed. As you can see, the corner 45 degree, and then continue to the end. We start the full cap from the corner blocks, going there, and then we cut for the end. This is the cut capping, and also they're going, and the cut is at the end. As you can see, this is the oatmeal color, and then you can see the stairs. This is a staircase. As you can see there, and also 45 degree cut to the end. Normally we do the cut at the end because one side it looks something. We use the grinder, concrete grinder, for cutting the concrete blocks and concrete caps. It's 7 stairs to top.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. straight.